Alright, good day everyone. Quickly, we want to look at this question coming from binary operation. Binary operation. Alright, they gave us a table. They said we should find the identity element if it exists. B, find the inverse of each element. Alright, quickly, what I'm going to do is this is your first border. This A, B, C, because it's at the top, is the first border, while this one that is by the side is called the second border. Is it clear? Now, the first border, the second border. For us to get our identity element, what you do is check these ones inside. They are called residues or answers or remainder. These are the answers to these first and second borders. What we are going to do is, in the answers, check the ones that are arranged exactly like the first border. The first border is arranged such that we have A, B, C, D in that order. You now come to the answer. Which one has the same pattern of arrangement as your first border? You'll be shocked. Is this one A, B, C, D? This one looks exactly like this. Did you see that? So I'm going to circle it like this. This one looks like my first border. Then come to the second border. Which one looks like the second border is A, B, C, D. This one looks like this. If you check the rest, no one else looks like this, the way it is arranged. So let's circle it. Now, where this and this, where they meet, is called the identity element. Where the two of them are meeting, the two of them are meeting at point A. Are you getting? The two of them are meeting at point what? A. Therefore, that is your identity element which is the answer to question A. Alright, I'll now say solution. Identity element A. Identity element is A, because the two borders, they met at point A. That's your identity element. Full stop. We have answered A. Then the big part of the question is find the inverse of each element. Maybe I should do the inverse here. Find the inverse of each element. B. The inverse of each element now is those elements in the first border and second border that came together to give you the identity element. Look at it now. A operation A gave us this identity element. So you tick anywhere A is in your residue. A is here, A is here, A is here, A is here. Did you see that? So the elements that came together from the respective borders giving you A, they are their inverse. For instance, A and A came to give me this identity element of what? A. So I'll be having A and what? A. Then which element? B and C gave me A. B operation C gave me A. So B and C gave me A. Alright, C and D gave me A. C and D gave me A. And D and C gave me A. D and C gave me A. Is it clear? Alright. What it simply means is that A is the inverse of A. Did you get that? Find the inverse of each element. So the inverse of A is A. The inverse of B is C. The inverse of C is D. And the inverse of D is also what? C. Did you get that? B operation C gave me A. A operation A gave me A, C operation D gave me this A, and D operation C gave me A here. Therefore, A is the inverse of A, B is the inverse of C, C is the inverse of D, while D is the inverse of C as far as this table is concerned. Is it clear to you? On this note, I want to say goodbye. Very simple, very understanding. I want you to follow us on Saken Arithmetic. We are on Saken Mathematics. We are on Facebook. We are on YouTube. We are on Instagram. We are on TikTok. Just follow us. Enjoy yourself and have a nice day. Bye.
All right, timekeeper, you may start the clock.
Mr. Moderator, panel of judges, accurate timekeeper, my co-debaters and fellow students. My name is Olive Lane and I am here to oppose the motion which states that sciences are more important than arts with the following establishing points. Art is the human expression of ideas, thoughts, feelings, emotions. According to the words of artist Henri Matisse, creativity takes courage. The human race would not be able to exist without the outlet of the art. What would scientists do without the freedom of expression that music, literature, fine arts, film, and television bring?